Good morning, children. Now let us see the next question, question number 8.1. Here we have to integrate sec square x into cosec square x dx. So again, if you see this integrand, you don't have any direct formula for this. So here we can write this sec square x as 1 plus tan square x. Yes, then open the bracket, so you get cosec square x plus tan square x into cosec square x. You know the integration of cosec square x. Okay, this will be minus cot x, and here tan square x into cosec square x. We don't have any direct formula for this, but here we can simplify it further. This tan square x can be written as sine square x upon cos square x. So sine square x and this cosec square x will get cancelled. So you will be left with 1 upon cos square x, and that 1 upon cos square x can be written as sec square x. So here you got two terms, and you know the integration of both the terms. So you should write them separately, okay, and then integrate, okay, or you can write them directly also, no problem. Now next is integrate square root in, do the integration of square root of this 1 plus cos 2x. So you know the formula. This can be written as 2 times cos square x, and there you can proceed on. Okay, 1 plus sin x can be written as this. Here we have got 1 square root of 1 minus cos x by 2. So use this formula and try to simplify this, okay, and you'll get this sine x by 4, and you know the integration of this, okay. Here we have got this integration sine 2x upon this square root 1 plus cos 2x. So this denominator can be simplified as 2 times cos square x, yes, and this can be written as 2 times sin x cos x. Thereafter simplify, you will get terms whose integration will be known to you, okay. Next is here cos cube x plus sin cube x upon cos x plus sin x. So here this is a cube plus b cube type, yes, so we can write this cos x plus sin x in bracket cos square x minus cos x sin x plus sin square x, and down we can write the same thing, cos x plus sin x. Here a cube plus b cube type, so you have to use this formula, okay. So here you can see that these two will get cancelled, cos x plus sin x, and then you are left with cos square x minus cos x sin x plus sin square x. So rest I have left for you, okay, you have to do this. So here you have got cos square x, so you don't have direct formula, so you have to do some simplification over here, okay. You have to simplify this also. You don't have any direct formula, you don't have direct formula for this, okay. So try this by yourself. Here you have to integrate cos x upon the square root of 1 plus sin x. So here 1 plus sin x can be written as this sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 times sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, okay. So this can be written sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square, okay. Then you get this, and this cos x can be written as cos 2 times x by 2, yes, and this can be written as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, okay. Now this is something like this, a square minus b square. So again you can write this, okay, factorize like this. So cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, okay. These two will get cancelled, so you are left with cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, okay. And then you know the integration of these two terms, so integrate and you will get your answer. Okay, next is this. You have to integrate this cos 2x plus sin x upon 1 plus 2 times sin x, okay. So again cos 2x, here if you see this cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 times sin square x plus sine x. Now 1 plus 2 times sine x minus 2 times sine square x. So here what I'm doing is, here I'm adding, okay, and subtracting sine x, okay, because here 1 minus 2 sine square x plus sine x. So what I'm doing is I'm adding 1 sine x and subtracting, okay. So now you can see that I can do pairing over here, okay, in numerator. So 1 plus 2 sine x minus, in from this sine x will be common, so minus sine x, 1 plus 2 sine x, okay. So then I get 1 plus 2 sine x, 1 minus sine x. So here this numerator here, okay, and this denominator cancel. So you are left with 1 minus sine x. And now you know the integration of each term. So integrate, okay, cos square x into sine 2x. So here we don't have a direct formula, okay, but this cos square x, okay. So what I'm doing over here, I'm going to multiply and divide by 2. So I get 2 cos square x into sine 2x upon 2, and 2 cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x, okay, and then open the bracket, okay. So you get 1 into sine 2x and cos 2x into sine 2x, okay, and write them separately. So sine 2x upon 2, I know the integration of sine 2x, and here I get sine 2x into cos 2x upon 2, but I don't know the integration of this, okay. So what we can do is, if I put multiply by 2 over here and divide by 2, so numerator will become sine 2 into 2x, yes. So here first write them separately, then 1 by 4 into this 2 sine 2x cos 2x. So this 2 times sine 2x into cos 2x can be written as sine 2 into 2x, okay, and thereafter you can complete by yourself. This you know, okay, and this 2 times sine 2x into cos 2x can be written as sine 2 into 2x, okay, and thereafter you can integrate. Integrate cos to the power 4, okay, x, that means cos x to the whole power 4. So this cos to the power 4x can be written as cos square x whole square, yes. Now this cos square x, what we will do is we will multiply and divide by 2 over here inside the bracket. Then 2 times cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x, okay, and then using a plus b whole square formula we can write this way, yes. Now if you see over here, out of these 3 terms I know the integration of 2 terms, okay. For this I don't know, okay, but this cos square 2x can be simplified, yes. So firstly what we'll do is we'll write them separately, okay. So 1 by 4 is constant, okay, and it's common for this all, so it comes out. Then integration of 1 plus integration of this 2 comes out, so integration of cos 2x plus, and here this cos square 2x. So what I'm doing over here, so I'm multiplying and dividing by 2, so this half comes out and I'm left here with integration 2 cos square 2x, okay. In next step, integration of 1 is x, 2 into integration of cos 2x will be sine 2x upon 2 plus half. Then 2 times cos square 2x can be written as 1 plus cos 2 into 2x, that means 4x. Now here I've got 2 terms and I know the integration of both the terms, okay. So do the integration and you'll get your answer, okay. Here sine to the power 4x, okay, so this can be written sine square x to the power whole power 2, okay. Here again you can multiply and divide, so this 2 times sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x, okay. So after that, use one a minus b whole square formula, expand it. So again, out of these three terms, you know the integration of two terms, and for this cos square 2x, again you have to do simplification. Okay, so here cos square 2x, I can multiply and divide, then I get 2 cos square 2x, and this can be written as 1 plus cos 2 into 2x. Okay, so I get two terms, you know the integration of both the terms, so simplify it. Okay, next is you have to integrate this cos x upon sine square x into 1 minus 3 cos cube x. So open the bracket, then you can write this way: cos x upon sine square x minus 3 into cos to the power 4 x upon sine square x. So this cos x upon sine square x can be written as cot x into cosec x. So you know the integration of this cot x into cosec x. Okay, and next this can be written as, this sine square x can be written as cosec square x. Okay, and this cos to the power 4x can be written as cos square x whole square. Yes, now this cos square x can be written as 1 minus sine square x. Yes, then expand it using that a minus b whole square formula. Okay, so then open the bracket and you'll get this. Okay, now if you see over here, you know the integration of cosec square x, you know the integration of 2, but you don't know the integration of sine square x. Okay, so firstly write them separately, integrate them, and the next step you can simplify this. Okay, so some manipulation is needed over here, so you can multiply and divide by 2, and this 2 sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, here two terms are there and you know the integration of both the terms, so thereafter you can complete by yourself. Okay, this question 4, you have to integrate this cos to the power 4 minus cos to the power 4x minus sin to the power 4x upon square root of 1 plus cos 4x. So numerator can be written as this. Okay, so here it is like a square minus b square, so this can be written as this way. But cos square x plus sin square x is what? 1. So you are left with cos square x minus sin square x. But cos square x minus sin square x is nothing but cos 2x. Okay, and here in denominator 1 plus cos 4x can be written as 1 plus cos 2 into 2x. Okay, and this can be written as 2 times cos square 2x. So here we get, simplify further, here we get cos 2x cancel, we are left with 1 upon square root into integration of 1, okay, with respect to x, so you get 1 upon square root of 2 into x plus c. Question 11.1, integrate sin x into sin 3x into sin 5x. We don't have any direct formula for this, but here what we can do is we can multiply and divide by 2, then we get 2 times sin x into sin 3x. Now we have formula for this. Okay, this can be written as cos x minus 3x minus cos x plus 3x. Okay, you have to recall this formula of class 11. Okay, where you will see that 2 times sin a into sin b. So this is the formula. Now open the bracket. Okay, so you will get this. Again, for we have got 2 terms over here. Okay, but we don't have any direct formula for them. Okay, so again here multiply each term by 2 and divide by 2. Okay, each. So this can be written as sin 2x plus 5x minus sin 2x minus 5x, and this can be written as sin 4x plus 5x minus sin 4x minus 5x. Simplify and you will get all the terms, okay, whose integration is known to you. Okay, so after that you can do it by yourself. This is same as this question, okay, what we have done just now. Then we come to some formulae. Okay, before we move on to next exercise, we have to see this formula, okay, and you have to remember this. So note 1. So integration of f dash x upon fx with respect to x is always log mod fx plus c. Like for example over here you can see that 6x square upon 2x cube plus 3. So if you see the denominator, okay, you get in denominator you have got 2x cube plus 3, and if you differentiate this, then you'll get 6x square, okay. So if you have something like that, that f dash x in the numerator and fx in the denominator, okay, if f dash x is in numerator and fx is in denominator, then integration will be log mod fx. So here in this example, this is fx, okay, and integration of differentiation of this is in the numerator, so integration will be log fx. So fx is 2x cube plus 3, okay. Next is this. If you have got something like this, integration of this fx to the power n into f dash x, okay, then it will be equal to fx to the whole power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, okay, and in this case n should not be equal to minus 1. So here see example 7x square plus 3, okay. So here you can see this is a function and differentiation of this is this 14x, okay. So try to relate this with here. So here fx to the power n, so here this is your fx to the power 3, and here this is f dash x. So for this f dash is here, okay. So integration of this will be fx to the whole power whatever you have over here, so you have to increase by 1, so 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 plus c. Next is integration of tan x. Integration of tan x is log mod sec x plus c. C is constant of integration. Integration of cot x is log mod sin x plus c. Integration of sec x is log sec x plus tan x plus c, okay, or log mod tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Next is integration of cosec x. It is log cosec x minus cot x plus c, or log tan x upon log mod tan x by 2 plus c, okay. So these are also very important, okay. So these are the formulae. So when we move on to the next exercise, we will be using these, okay, and we will be using this as well as those formulas what we had done before, okay. So this is all for today.